What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. So I seen all these things about people eating, and I just had to join in. Okay, so this is gonna be a shrimp and wing mukbang. You know I love my wings, love my shrimp. I'm finna bash, and we finna get to this. What are y'all doing mukbang? Y'all just talk. So I'm going to just talk. Tell y'all what's going on in my life. I probably won't get to it because this stuff looks so good. Chomp, chomp. Okay. But did I order crab? Did they give me a little free crab? Didn't even pay. Probably why. Yeah, like I just get so happy when it's time to eat. All the way, I love my food. Okay, let me hook these shrimp up. Got it all looking all delicious. Y'all seen all that mist? Come on, shoot. Weeks too. And there's butter. And I got some butter to dip too, honey. And I got the side. Got the side of garlic parmesan. Got this spicy parmesan. Yeah, I'm just happy about my life. Like, things are getting started, you know. I start my classes. Hold on just a second, let me get in here real quick. I start my classes. Eat so fast, I didn't even take the skin off. Slow down, okay? No, but I start these classes for my CNA thing August 6th. So, I'm pretty excited about that. Finna start making big bang. I'm trying to go all the way up to RN. No, but I just feel like stuff is starting to put a pep in this step. Like, stuff been going too slow lately. Like, speed up. Okay? I got things to do. Shoot. Trying to drink too. Slow down. Okay? Slow down. Okay. Let me stop. You know I need more than a sip. Don't play with me like that. Okay, now we're good. Okay. So, yeah, RNs make a lot of money. And I'm not trying to stop until I get all the way up the ladder, sweetie, okay? I'm trying to get this stuff started. Like, I just want to take a moment and thank everybody who been subscribing to my channel, who been liking my stuff, who been commenting on my stuff. I just want to thank y'all. All because you, sweetie, okay? Yes, I'm talking to you, okay? No, but yeah, I sat here and said this is gonna be a 10-minute video. It might be sooner than that. I didn't eat that all day. But shoot, other than that, that's about it. Shoot. Other than that, I ain't been doing nothing. I just been chilling, staying out the way. I want to go somewhere with a beach though. Like, this feels so good. No, but I don't know. I don't know what else to say for real. I don't got nothing going on. Other than what I told y'all. And I'm really excited about that. What was I finna say? They didn't even clean the doo-doo out. Like, true. This is so good. Like, Oh. You gotta be kidding me. I was bashing. I straight dropped my chicken wing. Now I only got 4 left. But dang. That just messed up my whole train of thought. Like, I didn't even remember what I was talking about. Just had to go and do some stupid shit. Let me get on with the subject though. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I don't know how I've been feeling lately. Just like bored. I went to Chicago. Y'all, for those who saw the Chicago vlog, I had fun. Sugar Factory was on point. On point. When I say on point, I mean on point to the point, on the point. Like, that was ridiculous. Your food shouldn't be that good. And them drinks, oh my gosh. I didn't want to leave. They was closing up. I wanted to sleep. I just want to wake up and be in this place, okay? That was my first time being there. No, it was so good. Like, why are you so good? I can't even explain. Like, no. And like in my video, y'all probably saw like the lo mein. Oh my god! When I say Chef Luciano's was good, too good. It was cool. I ain't never been to Chicago before, so I really didn't know what to expect. But the whole overall trip, like, I was like, I don't even want to go back home. What am I going back to St. Louis for? Ain't nothing there. Chill. I got my bag in the car. What I need to go back for? I got my charger. I got my money. So what do I need to go back there for? Ain't nothing to do down there. Nothing. But as y'all can see, I'm back. I can't even stay. Well, I didn't even try this other dip. She put on her shrimp? No. I don't like that. That was spicy. But shoot, life's been good for the past week or two. Oh, napkins right here. Okay, keep the napkins in your room, girl. I already knew it was going, but yeah, this ain't been good. Good lately, you know. I gotta have my chicken all flats, okay? All flats. What I need a chicken wing for? It's so good. Some of these moments in this video, y'all just might catch me eating. Because I can't. Yeah. You know, I'm kind of liking YouTube. It's okay. I'm just waiting on when they gonna tell me I can go live. Because I see all these other people go live like, dang, I wanna go live. I still ain't got. I'm videotaping off my camera. I mean, off my phone. That's the only thing I got. My phone. I don't got no camera. I don't got no special light. I got sunlight and room light. That's all I got, okay? I don't got no computer. I do all my editing on my phone. I don't got no camera on my phone. Now I'll tell y'all, this food's so good. I should have showed y'all first, but it's too late now. I done bashed everything. Oh, ain't no way. Y'all make these shrimp that good, but dang, get the doodle out. Like, all you gotta do is take a little scoop of thing, scoop it out, and throw the shrimp. Ain't that hard? You got out the rest at the end. Y'all just got lazy. Like, what's going on? I literally have nothing to talk about. I'm just running my mouth. Things been great. This shrimp is just so delicious. Y'all need to go get y'all a half-pound of shrimp and chill, okay? And just chill. Cause who don't like shrimp? Who don't like shrimp? What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? I'm getting tired of these wings. I don't. I really thank y'all because I really appreciate that. I really do. I don't see how lemon's so sour to y'all. It tastes good to me. It's sour, but it's not. Like, it's good. Y'all, man, support is everything. If you don't have the right support, it can be so hard. But just by having the right support, you wouldn't believe what you could do. Like what people could do. Most people get out of it because they be like, you know, I ain't got no support, or, you know, people, you know, y'all know what I'm trying to say, okay? I don't know what I'm trying to say. I don't. I'm lost right now. What subject are you on? It's even more better when you got it. Like, I'm not no motivational speaker, okay? I don't even know what to say. 19 is gonna feel good. For real. Who 18? Me? No. Girl, did you not get the memo? 2 weeks ago, I turned 19, okay? I don't know why I didn't waste my money on that. I don't know, but I want to go back to Florida but I'm ready to go back. I'm ready to go. Like, Florida, come to me. I'm wasting all this gas. Can you chip in? All these places, can y'all come to me? Oh man, I got like 2 shrimp left. I'm done. That stuff is good. Like, I could barely get a word out. It was so good. My first mukbang was delicious. And I guarantee you I'm coming back with another one, okay? Crab legs, king crab, all that. Thank y'all for coming and watching my video. I come out with videos every week. So turn on that notification so you can know, girl and boy, okay? You know, I come out with something new every week. Like, come on, stay up to date. I'm more than grateful. I just want to say thank you like 100 times. Thank you, 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 okay? Thank you for everything, the comments and everything. I swear I'll be reading y'all comments. I'll be like, oh my God. I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah, crazy. I'll be like, okay, watch the next one, okay? Like, leave a comment. Like, give me up. Give me up, give me up, give me up. Thank y'all for watching my video. I come out with videos every week. Stay tuned because I will be back with another video in no time. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll be back next time with another video.